Hi, it's Kate with Sunnyside Toyota. I'm here today at one of the many food pantries for the Hunger Network of Greater Cleveland. I would like to invite you to take part in our second annual Jai to Fight Hunger event to benefit the Hunger Network of Greater Cleveland, taking place in our showroom November 1st through December 3rd. The reality of hunger in our communities is staggering, and hunger is a daily challenge for 1 out of 5 members of our communities. This includes children, seniors, and even our veterans. You can help our fellow Clevelanders in need, and we've made it easy. Just stop by our showroom and drop off non-perishable food items and hygiene products. Or you can make a monetary donation in person or on our website at sunnysidetoyota.com. As a thank you for your donation, your name will be entered for a chance to win one of 3 great prizes. 100% of all donations will go to the Hunger Network of Greater Cleveland and stay right here in our communities. The pain of hunger is real, and by joining forces, we can drive hunger out of our communities. Isn't that right, MD Apple?